Good day, my friend. In this occasion, I would like to demonstrate how to use an extension. It's called Block and Focus. This extension is really beneficial because sometimes when we work on our internet and we want to do something beneficial, we always disrupt it. We always get interested to visit certain websites such as I don't know YouTube, maybe Facebook, and by doing that we the activity take a lot of time, which is should be used for working and but we use it for visiting those website. We can call it the time consuming website. But now we have one extension to solve our problem. I will show you in a minute how to use that extension and make our activity focus, and also we can have a lot of efficient time to work instead of go and visit those time consuming websites. But before that you have to download and install it first. So to do that, just open your browser first, your Chrome browser. In this case, I open my Google page, and then just go to the uh, top right corner. You will have three dots there. Just go on and click the dots until you have one dialog box, and then proceed to underneath until you have more tools, and then you want to have another dialog box and go to extensions. Click extensions until you have one new tab open, and then you will go underneath, go scroll down underneath and go to, you want to click get more extensions, that link, until you have one more tab open for you. And then on the left top corner you will have a search bar. You want to click a search bar and then just type the block and focus, block and focus, and then hit enter. The store will try to find you the extension, and on the list you have the extension top. On top of the list is called Block and Focus by Felipe Thoms. You want to click on that, just click, go ahead and click until you have it's pop up a new message for you, and then you can have an overview. You can go ahead and read what is this extension about, but I will tell you in a minute also. And then you can review, you can click review and read a lot of people opinion about this extension, and you have support and also related. But in this opportunity I want you to go to the top corner until you have like green button. It's called add to Chrome. I want you to click that green button, and by default the extension will be downloaded and installed in your browser. While having clicked that, you will get the extension in your browser. If you pay attention to my browser, I have this small icon on the top right corner. It's called um, Block and Focus. If you click on that. Right now, I will demonstrate how to use this extension. You want to go to the extension, and if you click, if you if you have right click, you will have this message: Block and Focus option, remove from Chrome, hide in Chrome menu, and manage extension. But if you have if you go and click on the left, you will have that start button and option. But I want you to go to click on to have a right click first, so we can have an option, and go to option, and then we'll have a lot of um, setting here. So in this page you have a lot of setting. The first of all is time setting. For example, how long do you want this site to block, the site to be blocked? It means that it say it 16th for this is by default they will have this number, but you always can change it based on your on situations. So what does it mean? For how long do you want the sites to be blocked? If you go underneath, you have this site that is website you want to block here. This is by default they have youtube.com, facebook.com, instagram.com, web whatsapp.com, twitter.com, and reddit.com. This is by default included, because this is what I mentioned just now, time consuming website. When you do your job, you always get disrupted by and get an attention to always open these websites. So this will be blocked, and you can also add another website if you think that the website is also time consuming. I will tell you how in a minute. I want to go back to this. So for how long do you want the site to be blocked? In this case they want 60 minutes, but you can always click and change to 19, I don't know, to 100, I don't know. But for the purpose of this video I only make one, so we can always monitor the change made by this block. So I type 1. This means that this site only block for 1 minute. Why? Because I want to show you how the extension work. And then optional here, for how long do you want to have a break? For example, after block for 1 minute, and then you have how long do you want a break? It say 15 minutes here, but for the purpose of the video I will make it change it into 1 also. So after block for 1 minute, and I will have 1 minute break. And then for how many times do you want to work before a longer break? It means that how many times you want to work. How this is the circles. It say it uh, 4 times circle, and then you will have another break. For example, if you have here 50-minute break, and then you want a longer break for after 4 times 15 minutes, you will have 45-minute break. But for the purpose of the video, maybe I can change it to 2. And for how long, this is optional too. For how long do you want to have longer break? You can say 45 minutes, no problem. And if I feel good with this setting, I can go ahead and click save, and it says save here. Okay, and then if you go underneath, we have sites. It means that website you want to block, and if you click this down arrow, you will have also um, the option block or allow. Of course we want to block because we don't want any disruption. But if you want to add, for example, you have any special website that's always disrupted you, if you always um, get I don't know, interested to visit that blog before you finish your job, go ahead, click, and then enter and read that blog. For example, the web, for example, you always visit 9gag.com, which is the website that give a funny picture. So you can go ahead and type it again, and whenever you want to block any other website, and just hit enter and type the website URL. So I feel satisfied with this block. Then now we want to go underneath. We will leave this exception place. You have appearance here, show remaining time under the extension. It will show the time here, remaining time. I will turn on that. Show a clean block instead of motivation phrase. By default, they will show motivation phrases in the blog website. I will show you in a minute. And also some notification and so on, which is not really important. So we go ahead and visit this website. So for example, I want to visit YouTube. So if I visit YouTube here, and then I will go here and turn on this, click left click and start, and then the block is the web is blocked. For how many minutes? For 1 minute, because I set it in 1 minute. And after 1 minute, the block will be the website will be open again. And this is what I say. This is actually YouTube page, but it's blocked by this block and focus, and they show motivation phrase here. When you cease to dream, you cease to live by Malcolm Forbes. But you can always change this. If you want a blank page, go ahead and set again. Disable this setting. Okay, now you see also here a red but the icon now red because they are working, and they show you one here. It means YouTube will be blocked for 1 minute, but you always want to change it for 16. It's up to you. I will wait after 1 minute. It will change a little bit. I will show you in a minute. So now it show a green here. Why green? Because now I have a break. After 1 minute block, now I have a break for how many minutes? 1 minute also, because I set for 1 minute. And after 1 minute, it will be turn red again, and my YouTube channel, my YouTube video will be blocked again. And then the circle will be for 4 times, because I set it in 4 times over here. That circle will be in this default I have changed to 2, so the circle will be twice, a 1 minute break and 1 minute block. And then after 2 times I will have 40-minute break, because it's I have finished 2 circles, and then I can have 40-minute break. I will let's see in a minute. So now I have time to work again. You need to work for 1 more minute, and it's turned red again. It's been active again, and uh, uh, my YouTube is blocked again, and the button is red. And now I will wait 1 minute and wait until the button is green again. I will show you in a minute also. All right, now this button is changed to blue. Why blue? Because I have follow 2 circle. Now I can have a 45-minute break, longer break, and then the circle will repeat again and again. So this is really nice. So I can always manage my time. I can focus on my work or do a lot of fun activity by visiting this time-consuming website. And this is also the same happen to Facebook, Instagram, our website, and Twitter, Reddit, also gag.com. That's will just the same as this. And if you click, if you have left click here, you have also a stop button, pause, skip, break, or option. Of course, you don't want to manipulate again this button. But if you want to pause or skip break or stop this break, let's go ahead and click there. For example, if I stop the break now, I don't have any management for my time now. Okay then, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I really recommend you to download this extension, which is very interesting and very good to manage our time while doing our job, our online job. So bye for now.